Hi everyone, I'm Sallieann Harrison. I'm not sure if you've come across me before, but I am a mad, crazy quilter. I'm a patchwork and quilting tutor, and I've been doing this for 20 years now, so don't try and guess my age. Anyway, my quilting story started when I lived in the States, and I got really addicted to patchwork and quilting whilst I lived there. And then when I came home, I felt totally bereft of my quilting family and my patchwork friends. And I set about creating a new group of friends by creating a sampler quilt. So this is the sampler quilt that I created when I moved back from the States. As you can see, I used the red, white and blue theme and incorporated a lot of different techniques. And from that date right the way through to this, I've taught the sampler quilt as a class. And Valerie has kindly let me do it as a sampler quilt class for Justhands-on.tv. And I've done it in some wonderful berry cottons, oak shot cottons, which are incredible. The colours are just absolutely stunning. Okay, so what's actually in the course are a whole range of different techniques, basic techniques and slightly built-on techniques, which enable you to make not just a sampler quilt. You can take what you learn in the sampler quilt and go forth and make other things from that point on. The course itself covers a whole range of different techniques, starting with things as basic as a little four patch, which is featured in this block, which is Road to Oklahoma. Applique techniques, just straightforward, easy applique, which I'm sure you'll become addicted to. Half square triangle units in this shoe fly block. Combination blocks where we've actually taken the four patches and the half square triangles to create something that is called a Jacob's ladder block. Flying geese, everybody likes flying geese units, generally seen in borders, but at the moment in this block it's called the Dutchman's puzzle, and they're actually almost in a circle going round effect. And then lastly here, the log cabin block. Very popular, lots of ways of setting that, and really interesting and fun to make. And the quilt itself altogether looks stunning in the berry tones, the oak shot berry tones that we've chosen. Also the quilt features cornerstones, and the cornerstones are deliberately put there to help you keep your first quilt square. So they add a little dimension. There are also notes that help you with the quilting and with the binding and finishing of the quilt. Altogether it's been a really exciting time for me. So I hope you enjoy making the quilt.